So we're going to be testing your abdominal muscles today. So I'm going to have you lay flat on your back, and the first one is I'm going to have you put your arms behind your neck, and then you're just going to lift up until the bottom of your shoulder blades are off the table, so like right a little bit further back, like right there. And you're going to hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. And then if you can't do that, we're going to take a step down to a grade 4. And you're going to cross your arms over your chest. And then you're going to do the same thing just so your shoulder blades are off the table. And then you're going to hold that one for, if you can do that, for 15 to 20 seconds. And then if you can't do that, we take a step down to a grade 3. And you're just going to have your arms straight out. And you're going to do the same thing, lift up till your shoulder blades are off the table. And then you hold that for 10 to 15 seconds. And if you couldn't do that, then we're going to step it down to a grade 2, which you're going to put your hands behind your head. And you're just going to lift up so the top of your shoulders are off the table. And then you hold that one for 1 to 10 seconds. And then if you couldn't do that, we do a grade 1, which you just have your arms straight, and then you're just going to lift up your head. And that's for that one. And then we're going to test your muscles that extend your back. So you're going to lay on your stomach, and you're going to put your hands behind your head, and then you're going to lift up so your head, your chest, ribs, and head are off the table. And then you're going to hold that for 20 to 30 seconds, and that would be a grade 5, so that would be the max. And then if you couldn't do that, we would do a grade 4, and you're just going to put your hands behind you, and you're going to do the same thing, lift your head, chest, and ribs off the table. Good, and then you hold that for 15 to 20 seconds. And if you couldn't do that, we would do a grade 3, which is you're just going to lift the top of your chest off the table. It's kind of like your sternum. And you'd hold that for 10 to 15 seconds. And then a grade 2 would be you're just going to lift your head off the table, and you'd hold that for 1 to 10 seconds. And then if you couldn't do that, there would be no movement, and then I would just palpate to make sure your muscles in your back are contracted.